Juncus occidentalis, or slender juncus, is a perennial rush that is native to the western part of the United States, stretching from British Columbia to the northern parts of Baja California. It is in the family Juncaceae, which is the rush family, and this species of juncus is very distinct in that it has very slender stems and leaves that almost make it look like a grass. Juncus occidentalis is generally found in wet areas throughout a variety of habitats. Species within the Juncus genus often have capsules that appear as little clusters of orange to brown that burst open into small bright orange seeds. Juncus xiphoides, iris-leafed rush, is a perennial rush that is found throughout California and into Nevada, New Mexico, and Baja California. One of the most distinctive features of Juncus xiphoides is that its flat leaves resemble that of an iris. Irises have flat leaves that have edges that are parallel to the stem. This is the same morphology that Juncus xiphoides shares. This is one of the only Juncus species that has this characteristic. Juncus xiphoides is also a rhizomatous species, which means that it forms large clumps due to their underground stems. These modified stems have tissue that forms into new leaves, therefore expanding the plant outwards as it grows underground. Cyperus erigerastus, tall flat sedge, is a species found in the Cyperaceae or sedge family. It can be found ranging through the west coast of the United States as well as the south and southeast, all the way into Jamaica. It is a species that is almost ubiquitous with wetland and riparian areas where it has a tendency to spread quickly and can take on a weedy habit. Tall flat sedge is a light, bright green color and has distinctive flower and seed heads that make it easy to identify, although there are exotic species that look similar and are found within California. For instance, this plant is related to the Egyptian papyrus, which was a very important plant in ancient times. The seed head and stature of Cyperus erigerastus helps to distinguish it from other species that might not be native.